Faced, unveiled. More than meets the eye. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the word faced and uncover the different ways it's used in the English language. By the end of this video, you'll understand its various meanings and how to use it correctly. So, let's get faced with the facts. Faced is typically used as the past tense or past participle form of the verb face. At its core, it means to confront or deal with something directly. For example, she faced her fears and went skydiving. They faced many challenges while climbing the mountain. Often, faced is used in combination with other words to describe someone's appearance or characteristics. For example, stone-faced, showing no emotion, very serious. He remained stone-faced even after hearing the bad news. Fresh-faced, appearing young or free from blemishes. The fresh-faced recruit was eager to start his new job. The English language has a bunch of idioms, and faced finds its way into several of them. For instance, two-faced, someone who is insincere or acts one way in certain situations and differently in others. I wouldn't trust him. He's known to be two-faced. Long-faced, looking sad or disappointed. She looked long-faced after hearing that she didn't win the competition. Faced can also be a part of compound words, helping to describe certain features. Examples include broad-faced, having a wide face. Smooth-faced, having a smooth, usually unlined or unwrinkled face. Open-faced sandwich, a sandwich with only one slice of bread, where the toppings are exposed. And that wraps up our journey with the word faced. Remember, context is key. Whether it's about confronting a situation, describing someone's appearance, or being part of an idiom, faced is quite a versatile word. I hope this video has been insightful. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be faced with success in your English language journey.